excuse my super decorated refrigerator. Put these on my refrigerator to keep my toddler out, and they worked well for about 2 days. And then my top, like this one is in, like I can actually open with it. It's really secure. However, this one on the other side was not like that. My toddler, literally my 3-year-old, actually was able to pull it tight enough, hard enough, and rip the sticky right off. Holy crap. He did the same thing because I doubled up. He did the same thing to this one, and he's not the Incredible Hulk. This is just really cheaply, like, see, I can even open it on this side, but the part that actually has the lock, awful. Okay, so I also have I bought the other ones and put them on my pantry door for the same reasons, to keep my toddler out. And I don't know what the deal is, but these have really held up. So look, and it's not even, I mean, it's still like on there pretty good, even with like that amount of space in it. Still held up so much better and everything, even with it being halfway on. So it adhered so much better to the wood than it did my refrigerator door, which is very frustrating. So then you just stick the key in there and turn it, and